Kill the demons first. Kill the demons first. Oh wow, look at you. Look at you. Look how you look with your little mini gun. Oh my god. Don't shoot the bullets. That's wasting bullets. Come on. I usually don't play shooter games, but this seems pretty fun. It is pretty fun, so watch your back. They're gonna start spawning. They're gonna start spawning. Watch your back. Wait, Zero, come over here. They have upgrades and they also have shops. So make sure you collect your coins. Can you hear me from that far away? I can't tell. They have upgrades and they have shops. Make sure you get kind of. Oh dang, can you hear me? Am I loud? Or is my voice low? Okay, great, because I'm talking at this volume so you can hear me. Okay, so come on, we gotta get our upgrades. These upgrades give us good stuff so we can have better precision in aim and stuff. So make sure you get that deadly crits. Ooh. Heavy rounds. I'm gonna get this. 25 crits. Did you get yours? Got yours? You're so much shorter than me. It's so funny. Come on. I'm posting this video because it's so funny. I'm recording right now, but I'm not recording using OBS. I'm just recording. OBS is like too lag. It has like a really big delay, so I can't really record there until I get like an Ethernet cable or something. I don't know. This is the treasure room. Let's go here. Zero! You run so fast. No, you just look super short. Oh my god. I'm going to show you what you look like. Open the treasure chest too. I don't know if we have like collected coins or not. But make sure you get those. Alright, let's go. They gonna spawn. They gonna spawn. They gonna spawn. Alright, we did it. Okay, let's do this treasure. Wait, they got a shop over here. Come on. Let's see what they have. Alright, I'm gonna get a speed potion. Do you want a speed potion? Do you need help? Do you need more max HP? What you get? You don't need health, but if you want to max out your HP, you can get that. Alright, got a sandwich. Did you buy it? Okay. Alright, good. Wow, the sandwich got tentacles coming out of it. Let's go. I'm going to show you what you look like. Like, when I post this video, you don't have to watch it because this is hilarious. I'm going to warn you right now. When you start seeing the demons for, like, the next floor, kill the demons first. You're finna descend. Let's go. Come on, come on. There we go. Alright. This is where you go see the demons out. Oh, wow. This map is darker than when I was on it. But it's way darker than the last one. I think this is a different one. Your head on your shoulder. Your head on the swivel now. Come on. Maybe it's gonna burn them. Come on, girl. Alright, we're going to the treasure room. And then we're gonna go to upgrades. Got it, okay. Upgrades right across. Get this. Alright, so the accuracy we got 32% damage and 15. I wanna defend it. I'm sorry, I just think it's good, but the defending mag is even good. Less time for reload. Alright. Head on the swivel, head on the swivel. Midget! Maybe back in the corner, but trust, I got that thing on. Got him, Zero. There we go. How you liking so far, Zero? You can type now. We understand. Good. Alright, let's go, little bro. Let's do upgrades. 10% accuracy, critical chance, and 13% damage. That critical chance. Let me look at shock real quick. What they got? Oh, they got medium speed and 15 HP. I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna take this. Alright, let's go. I think everything. Make sure you set up right. Alright, this way. Oh, wait. It's the treasure room. Got a lot of treasure room. We got stuff over here. Cool, little bro. Let's go. I got your back. If you need to zero jump back. Getting closer. Come this way. They get closer. Treasure room. Yeah, baby. Alright, now we gotta descend over there. Okay. Wait, this shop. 0. Medium speed, full health. I'll take it. Take what you take whichever one you want. Okay? Let me know if you got everything. Alright, let's go.